So if a lot of you are like me, you try to make reasonable effort to eat healthy, but that can be very difficult at times. To be honest, most of the healthy snacks out there kind of taste like cardboard. So that was my problem until I came up with this recipe for a nice fruit smoothie. So today, I'm going to hopefully share a nice fruit smoothie recipe for you that will make your diet a lot healthier and give you a nice little morning snack. So now that I told you what I'll be making, let's start with the items required. So obviously, to make a fruit smoothie, you need a blender. I got this one for about 20 bucks at Target. They're not expensive and they last for a really long time. Then you'll need some cups. I have these little Dixie cups right here, so hopefully if you guys want, you can try them. Then you'll need a knife to cut up your strawberries, maybe your banana. And then you'll need, it's going to be a strawberry banana smoothie, so you're going to need some strawberries. And then next, fresh banana too. Some water and maple syrup, just to make it a little bit sweeter. Alright, so now that I've told you what you'll need to make a fruit smoothie, let's discuss the steps. First off, you're going to obviously peel your banana. It doesn't take too long, anyone can do it. Just like that. Now you're ready to go. Put that to the side for now, and then we're going to take our lid off of our smoothie, and we're going to add our banana. Oops, I'm going to drop there. There we go. So I have a pretty small blender, so I'm only going to use about half a banana for now. And if I need to make more, I will. So put that in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut up our strawberries. Personally, I like my strawberry banana smoothies on a little bit more of the strawberry side. So I'm going to use 3 strawberries. And I'm just going to cut it up real quick. Just throw it in there. I put them in just whole, just like that, nothing fancy. And there we go. Put that in there, put that back in there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to add our water. Now you always wanna make sure that you don't put not enough water, because that can be a big problem. You know, get your blender jammed, that's a big headache. So I put it right about to the level where the fruit is. So about right there, if you can see. A little bit more. And then the next part is you're going to want to add your maple syrup. This is going to sweeten it up and hopefully make it taste a little bit better. You want to be very careful with this stuff, not to overdo it, because sometimes it can be very too sweet. So then there, just a little bit. Then we're done with that. And now, it's the easy part. We put the top on. Make sure it's nice on there, pretty good. Make sure it's locked in. All right, and now it's time to blend. Short cord, so just gotta step down here. So hopefully you guys can see. I'm gonna hold the top there so there are no messes. And here we go. So I explained a lot, it's real easy. So not too loud. Because one of our strawberries is stuck there. And this brings me to my next point. So sometimes this happens, the strawberry gets stuck. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open the top, and you're going to take your knife, you're going to sort of poke around in there, try to get it unstuck. There we go. So sometimes that happens. I was hoping it wouldn't, but, and then put it back on. There we go. Now it's nice and blended. I like mine a little bit more liquidy, so I'm gonna let it keep going. And there we go. That's what happens when you buy a $20 blender. All right. So now that I've told you the steps in making a fruit smoothie, let's wrap up the discussion. So this smoothie Only takes 7 items and 9 steps, and it's under 300 calories. It's a great snack. It's going to fill you up with energy. I personally like making mine the night before, and then I stick it in the fridge and I have it first thing in the morning. So, in conclusion, it's a great healthy snack that tastes great.